Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I have another 5 easy step card tutorial to share with you. We're using a die set from Spellbinders called Go Kart Go. Such a cute little die set. Oh my goodness. I love the little go-karts. You could fill them with a bunny or a little monkey, and then there's some accents like balloons and flowers. We're going to be using this on our card today, and we're going to jump in and get started. As always, we start with step number 1, which is our focal point, and of course it's going to be this little go-kart. So let's take this out. I'm going to bring in some cardstock. For my monkey, we're going to be using some Nina Desert Storm cardstock. It's like a craft cardstock, and I'm going to create a car with a little monkey in it. So that's going to work out perfect for that. We also are going to cut out this little piece, which is the ears to our little monkey. I'm going to take some yellow cardstock, and we will die cut out the background of the car. And with white cardstock, I'm going to cut out a few flowers. We have the tires that I'm going to cut out, and the steering wheel. Everything's combined here with black cardstock. And then I have some matte cardstock from Spellbinders. This is from their Treasured series, but if you have mirror silver cardstock, you could use that too. I think that'd be fine. I'm going to be using this little piece to put behind my tires, and then also this little piece has the crown, but it also has the lights that go on our little go-kart. And I'm going to switch it up today, and instead of using cardstock for the front of my card, I'm going to be using a paper pad. This is Simple Stories True Colors. It's a 6x8 paper pad, and there was some really bright, I think that's really fun too, a real bright fun yellow in here. I'm going to take this, and then I'm going to actually trim down a piece. I just trimmed down a little piece. It's like a yellow plaid. It's super fun. We're going to make a plaid go-kart. And that's all the die cutting I'm going to do. I will run all of these through my die cut machine. I have everything die cut. I zoomed in a little bit better so you could see me put this together. Looks like there's a lot of little pieces, but it comes together really quickly. So here's my little go-kart. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of glue. And then we're just going to layer this over our existing go-kart. And there's debossed area so you know where to put it. And then I'll add a little dot of glue here, and I'm going to add my lights. I'm not going to use the crown today, and these two little pieces die cut out when I die cut out my tires and my steering wheel. You could put those in the flower centers if you wanted to, but I'm going to use gems, so I'm not going to use these little flower centers. Okay, I am going to add a little dot of glue behind my steering wheel, and we can go ahead and add this. It comes together really quickly, and how cute is that little car? I think if you were to do a whole background with these little cars, that'd be just adorable for a new baby boy. I think that would just be so cute. For the tires, we're just going to add a little bit of glue behind here and layer these over the silver. I put foam squares on my little car here, and then all we have to do is add the tires over the top. I'm using foam squares for some dimension, but you can skip the foam if you're not into a lot of dimension. But I do like the way that looks. How cute is that? That's a little go-kart. Okay, we're not using the crown, but we are going to put together our little monkey. Now, the monkey's ears, since we die cut out with the same craft cardstock, I want to define them a little bit more. So I'm bringing in some brown ink, and I'm going to use my brushes here. I have a small one, and I'm just going to add a little bit of brown on the inside of my ear here. And there we go. And then I'll add dots of glue. And then we can add these. One's bigger than the other, so you just have to find which one matches. It's so cute. And then we have our little, you know, I want to add a little bit of color to the arm of my monkey too. So we have a little bit of ink on the little arm of my monkey, and there was one more piece that I was missing for my monkey, and that was this die here. So I cut out another craft piece with this. This is actually our monkey's tummy, and then this is the extra piece that goes over the face. I'm going to add a little ink to this piece too, just so it stands out against the background. I wasn't going to do any ink blending today, but I think we need to, so it's just defined on our monkey. This way when we add the tummy piece, it's going to stand out. So just a little extra shading. Of course you can use different colors of cardstock and not have to shade, but sometimes it's easier just using one shade of cardstock. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some glue behind this piece of my monkey, and we're going to layer it right over, and then we can add our little arm. There, and then I'm going to bring in a pink marker, and we're going to add some rosy up those cheeks. The cheeks on this little guy are debossed, so I'm just adding a little color there. Our cute little monkey. I'm going to add some glue at the very bottom, and then we're going to tuck our little guy into the car. Now all we have left to do is add some black to the eyes. You could put a piece of black cardstock behind there, but what I'm going to do is bring in some black foam squares, and then I'll add one behind the nose also, and that will do dual purpose. That actually serves dual purpose. So we're creating the little black eyes behind the monkey, and then we're also popping it up at the same time. Okay, that's all there is to this. That's step number 1, our focal point. We're going to move along to step number 2, which is our home panel. I'm going to use these flowers for our scene, and I'm also using a die set from Spellbinders. It's called the Landscape Edges. This has clouds, it has a hillside, and then it also has some grassy area. I'm going to use the hillside, and I'm going to die cut out a road with this. I'm going to do this at an angle, so I'll cut this out this way, and then I'm going to flip it around, and this way we have kind of a crooked road. So I'll do that with this, and then I'm also going to create a hillside. I'm going to go at a tall angle here, and with white I'm going to cut out a cloudy border here. Now I cut out my little scene elements, so we have a nice little windy road. You could freehand this if you wanted to. I have a grassy area and I have some hills. I also created a panel and a frame. I used my Spellbinders Perfect Touch Rectangles and Tag die set. I used the 3rd and 4th size. I just layered them together to create my frame, and then I used the largest to create my panel. We're going to frame in our home panel today. Let's start by taking our hillside here. I'm going to add some adhesive, and I'm going to tack it down, and then I'll add my clouds, and then I will add my road. I think that's a good spot for my road, and we'll trim what's left over. Now usually I pop this up for a little dimension, but I think my car is going to give me enough dimension, so I'm just going to use my glue gun, and then we're going to add some glue behind my frame. And we're going to add our frame right over our little scene. Now I'm going to use my little focal image as a guide to where to put my flowers. And I'm not using all 4. I'm just going to use 3 of them today. Wonderful. I'm going to bring in a white gel pen and we're going to add some lines to our road. And hopefully I can get them straight. We're just going to remove the release paper and we'll go ahead and add our focal image. I love creating little scenes, and this card today could be a birthday card, it could be so many occasions, but today we're just going to make an everyday smile card, which brings me to step number 3, which is our sentiment. For my sentiment today, we are going to use a stamp and die set. This is called You Make Me Smile Sentiments. It has a small stamp set that has a lot of occasions, but I like the one that says You Make Me. So we're just going to stamp this on some white cardstock. I'm going to use my VersaFine Clair to stamp the greetings. And we'll just go over all of these. And they all stamp at once, which is nice, so you have lots of extras. And then the nice thing about this die set is you have the die that will cut them all out. Okay, so I'll cut these out, and then I'm also going to take another piece of white cardstock and I want to cut out a couple of smiles. We'll stack them together, and then there's 2 shadows. You have a thicker shadow and a thinner one. I'm going to take the thinner shadow and we're going to die cut out this with some blue cardstock, the same blue that I used for my background. And then all of these just punch out and you have lots of greetings that you can customize your card with. Today I'm going to use You Make Me. And then I did stack 2 of my smiles together. All we have to do is take this piece now, add a little glue behind here. And we can add this to our background. I put some foam tape behind my smile and a foam strip behind You Make Me, and we're going to put it in this white area of the clouds. And I like to overlap a little bit, and then we'll add You Make Me. Okay, now we're going to move along to step number 4, which is our background. And our background is going to be very easy. I'm just going to use that same pattern paper that we used for our go-kart. And I'm going to trim down a panel that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So this is going to fit the front of my card base. And that's all there is to that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take my focal point and we're going to add some adhesive behind here. And this is going to go tack down in the middle of my card. The nice thing about plaid is you will get your focal point straight every time. You just follow along the plaid background. But that is easy background. We're going to move along to step number 5, which means it's time to embellish. And we're going to add some gems to those flower centers. I'm using my Spectrum AB gems. And we're going to add, let's go small flower centers here. And that's all the embellishing I'm going to do. I'm not going to do too much because I like the clean look of this. But that finishes my card today. Super cute. The die set that I use is called Go Kart Go. It's so adorable. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.